Alright guys, we're here. This is how Tubi and Chris muck is too mucky, so they had to crawl and knee.
They gotta learn today.
We gotta learn today. But look at this. Huh?
Is it tilted?
It looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, watch this. Look at all these goose footprints. Look at all these feathers right here. Look at all those feathers. Hopefully they come back. Feathers everywhere here, so goose poops. Shit, hopefully let's go a bit to the job. Unless they jumping can go kino.
Good, we just put decoys close to us.
And we put some decoys in this middle right here. Go look at in front barrels.
Camp over here.
Because if they want to land, they might land in front of there or behind here and then swim in. Look at this guy. Deep hand, look. Up to my waist right here.
Right up to my dick.
Shut up, dude.
Let's go.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, PG-13, dude. You need a push pole? No, I'm good.
Tao nào sao vậy đi qua. Trời feel này à. Right.
No invite, no K.
Good job, Chris Neil goes out. Hopefully, bye, daughter. Hard work, huh?